Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a luxurious logo for your brand, business, or company. So if you are starting a new company, a startup, or you want to upgrade your logo yourself to a minimalist or professional one, you can easily do it in Canva. Talking about Canva, it's a really great site for beginners like you. Even if you don't have any experience in graphic designing, ideas, or creativity, just go to canva.com and create an account. After creating your account, you can easily work with graphics in Canva. So, if you want to create posts, documents, presentations, everything is available in Canva. Today, we are going to create or modify already made templates of luxurious brands. Canva templates are available here, and you can go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. You will see that luxurious logo templates are available for you. Just explore and choose whichever one fits your needs. Maybe I will go with this one, and it's free. I will choose this one for jewelry. Just select whichever you like and customize the template. After that, you have full access. You can modify anything you want. If you want to change the color, just go to the color option and change it. In the same way, I'll change its color. And if you want to change the text, these are the text options. If you want to change the text color, just double-click on it and you will be able to change the text like this. You just need to tweak it, maybe like this, and I'll do the same with this one, like this. And I will also make this color white. You just need to modify everything you want to match your brand colors and details. If you want to customize your text, these are the available features for text. You can change your font, resize it, change color, and make it bold, italic, underline, strike through, set it to uppercase or lowercase, align it, make a list, and even adjust letter spacing if you like, and transparency and effects. If you want to add an effect, just select the text and go to the Effects option. And if you want to crop your text, that's also available. Just remove it and you can add more advanced effects and then go to Animate. If you want to animate your text, set a position, or position it with one click. This way, you can just experiment with whatever you like. Go to the Elements. If you want to add any decorations or add any graphics or other elements or icons you want on your logo. So yeah, you can just experiment and modify your branding colors, details, everything you need and want to change. Just change everything, download it, and rename your file. Go to Share, then to Download, and choose PNG, or download it in another format. So yeah, that was a simple process for modifying already made templates in Canva. With this process, you can save a lot of time, and you don't need to worry about your experience or creativity. You can just modify, and your logo will be ready in a few minutes.